People are rushing to lock their money within the Shiba Inu ecosystem. Something huge has just happened, sparking excitement among Shiba Inu investors. Over $1 million is now locked in the vault. But what does this mean? Why are people rushing to secure their funds in a place where they won't be able to withdraw them for a long time? Well, let me explain. Based on data from DeFi Llama, Shibarium's total value locked has just surpassed the $1 million mark, signaling a notable recovery. This resurgence marks a positive shift in the ecosystem, reflecting renewed confidence and growing interest in Shibarium. For months, the total value locked had dipped below $1 million, staying there since September 6. But now that trend has reversed, bringing Shibarium back into the spotlight. This increase in locked value means the blockchain network is strengthening. More assets are being staked or locked within Shibarium, enhancing security and stability. A robust network attracts developers, users, and investors, reinforcing the long-term viability of the ecosystem. But why does this matter? Because there's a strong connection between the total value locked and the price of the native token. As more assets get locked, buying pressure on Shiba Inu increases, potentially driving its price higher. This means existing holders stand to benefit, and new investors might see this as an opportunity to jump in before the price surges. Beyond financial metrics, this resurgence also signals a rise in community engagement. A more active community participating in decentralized finance projects strengthens the foundation of Shibarium. Right now, Shibarium's total value locked stands at approximately $1.12 million, and this number is only growing. But what exactly is total value locked, and why does it hold so much significance? Imagine a party where every guest brings something valuable: a luxury watch, jewelry, or even stacks of cash. These valuables represent digital assets and cryptocurrencies. The total value of all these items combined is like total value locked in the crypto world. It's a measure of how much wealth is actively being utilized or locked in a particular blockchain network. Now picture a special vault at the party where people deposit their valuables as collateral. This vault represents decentralized finance activities: trading, lending, staking, and borrowing. The more valuables locked in that vault, the higher the total value locked in the network. If at the beginning of the party there were $1 million worth of assets locked in the vault, but then the amount dropped to $500,000, that would indicate a decline in total value locked. It could mean that people are losing interest or withdrawing their assets. But when total value locked increases, moving from $1 million to $1.12 million, it suggests that more participants are engaging with the ecosystem. That's exactly what's happening with Shiba Inu right now. So in simple terms, total value locked measures how much capital is actively being used in a blockchain ecosystem. The higher the number, the stronger the engagement and confidence in the project. Now, here's where things get even more interesting. According to DeFi Llama, Shibarium is currently supported by 14 decentralized finance platforms. Out of these, 12 are actively contributing to its growth, while 2 have yet to generate any value. The most significant contributor to Shibarium's total value locked is Marswap, a decentralized exchange built on the Shibarium network, accounting for approximately 65% of the total sum. And something massive is happening within Marswap that is incredibly bullish for Shiba Inu. Marswap isn't just another decentralized exchange. It was specifically designed to operate on the Shibarium network, a Layer 2 scaling solution for Shiba Inu, developed under the leadership of Satoshi Kusama. The platform prioritizes speed, security, and efficiency, positioning itself as a frontrunner in the decentralized finance space. By leveraging the power of Shibarium, Marswap enhances the overall functionality of the Shiba Inu ecosystem. But here's what changes everything. Marswap has just integrated an on-off ramp feature, allowing investors to purchase Shiba Inu ecosystem tokens, including Bone and Shiba Inu, using conventional payment methods like bank cards and PayPal. This single update could be a game changer for the Shiba Inu community. Why is this so important? because it completely removes one of the biggest barriers preventing new investors from entering the Shiba Inu ecosystem. Traditionally, buying cryptocurrencies has been a complex process. New investors often have to go through tedious steps, creating an account on an exchange, completing Know Your Customer, KYC, verification, linking a bank account, and navigating confusing trading interfaces filled with order books and candlestick charts. This process can be overwhelming, especially for those unfamiliar with crypto. But with MarSwap's new feature, investors can now buy Shiba Inu tokens directly using their bank cards or PayPal, eliminating the need for lengthy registration and verification processes. This makes investing in Shiba Inu far more accessible to a wider audience, including those who were previously hesitant to enter the crypto market. And here's where things get even more bullish. With the potential for a massive influx of funds through these new payment methods, demand for Shiba Inu tokens could surge. In the world of cryptocurrency, a significant rise in demand often leads to price increases. More money flowing into the Shiba Inu ecosystem means higher token demand, and that demand could push prices higher. This isn't just speculation. It's a fundamental principle in financial markets. When demand exceeds supply, prices tend to rise. And now, with an easy and direct way for investors to enter the ecosystem, we could see a strong wave of new money pouring into Shiba Inu. This development isn't just good news, it's a major milestone. It simplifies the investment process, brings fresh capital into the ecosystem, and strengthens the Shiba Inu network overall. But now the big question remains, how high can Shiba Inu go? As we've seen before, crypto markets are volatile, and shifts can happen rapidly. With Shiba Inu's total value locked rising, the influx of capital through MarSwap's new features, and the growing engagement within the ecosystem, there's potential for significant upward movement in the price of Shiba Inu. But the journey won't be without its hurdles. As always in the crypto space, there's uncertainty. What happens if whales, the major token holders, decide to hold onto their tokens? What happens if broader market conditions shift again? These are questions that only time will answer. The key takeaway here is that the Shiba Inu ecosystem is evolving rapidly, with substantial improvements being made to increase accessibility, enhance security, and drive new investment into the project. As this development unfolds, it could signal the beginning of a more robust and sustainable future for Shiba Inu. So, what do you think? Could this be the catalyst that sends Shiba Inu skyrocketing? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your thoughts. If you're curious to learn more, make sure to click on one of the videos you see on the screen. And with that, we come to the end of this video. If you enjoyed this content, don't forget to like the video and leave a comment. It really helps with the YouTube algorithm. Also, share this video with as many people as possible. Let's get this news out there.